Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So yun ang ating titingnan. Again, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, kung may tanong sa ating mga sa ating private reading, sa ating mga items, so sila, okay, so alam nyo naman na yan. Protection from evil eye, so meron tayong granter necklace, yung taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest, and yung itong ating pangtanggal MALAS, okay, pangtanggal MALAS, ito po yun si cord cut, and yung ating 2-in-1 bracelet, pwede po ito sa panlalaki pwede siya sa panlalaki, pwede siya sa lalaki. Oo. So, for money and love na po ito. So, kung lalaki ka, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Kung meron pang ibang tanong, message na lang po. So, yun lamang. So, madaliin na natin. Na-spill ko naman na siya sa ibang video. So, tingnan nyo na lang po. Okay. What's for you, air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong kailangan mong marinig? Kailangan mong malaman? Let's see. Air signs. Okay. The 6 of Swords in reverse. 9 of Swords. Ano tong agam-agam? Narinig ko agam-agam. Okay. Some of you, ikaw mismo yung sumisira sa mga plano mo. You're sabotaging your own plans. Ikaw sumisira sa mga plano mo. Some of you. Hindi mo alam yon. Maybe you're not aware nga. Okay? So, in general, meron kang gustong gawin, meron kang gustong mangyari, pero you're afraid to do it. You're afraid to take action. Could be a fellow air sign like you. I don't know if this is talking about a connection or regarding your stability. Okay, could be relationship or your business or stability in general. Okay, pwedeng ikaw mismo ang gumagawa ng hadlang para magkaroon ng pag-usad. The 5 of Pentacles. Ayaw naman natin ng regrets afterwards, So decide ng maganda. Okay, magdesisyon. Meron ditong takot iwan rin Kaya may nagtitiis dito sa isang sitwasyong hindi maganda. So what else? Knight of Swords. Taking action. Ace of Cups. Somebody wants to take action. Okay. Meron ditong sabihin nating madali ang connection lang na parating. Okay? Pwedeng galing ito sa past person. Okay, pwedeng yung past person mo is magbalik, makipag-communicate, and then magkaroon ulit kayo ng reconnection, pero this is just short term. Okay, I'm hearing short term connection. Okay, this is just like a surprise. Some of you, this is makeup sex, or pwedeng gusto lang niya ng sex with you, something like that. A short term connection, not long term. Okay po. Kung nag-reach out yung somebody, na pwedeng kilala nyo na, they just want sex with you. Okay? See? The devil. Let's see. What else? Air sign. Air signs. 3 of Pentacles. Five of Cups. Disappointments around the workplace. Okay, rejection around workplace. Why? Ano tong 3 of Pentacles? The King of Pentacles. Pwedeng meron ditong hindi magugustuhan, or sabihin natin may i-reject lang, pagdating sa workplace. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. I don't know if this is talking about loans or an increase, something like that. Okay, bakit? Ano tong Five of Cups? Let's see. What's with this Five of Cups? Anong dahilan? Bakit ganyan? Okay. So, this is pananabotahe. The Queen of Wands is here. This is somebody who is so inggit. Gagawin lahat para masira ka. Yeah, see? The Magician in reversed. Some of you, they're evil eyeing you. They're throwing evil eyes on you. Even if you're not aware. Okay, or maybe even if they're not aware na binabatuhan ka nila ng mga mapapangit na energy. That is why nagkakaroon ng sabihin nating sabotage pagdating sa energy, pagdating sa frequency. Okay? Or some of them talagang physical, no? Na paninira ang ginagawa ng mga to para lang hindi makuha yung gusto mo. Lalo na po sa workplace. Some of you, this is talking about business, yeah, and then that's your business. Pwedeng kalaban mo to, kakumpetensya. Okay? So, inggit. Yeah. Anyway, protect your energy. Hindi tayo safe, no? Sa mga taong nagbabato talaga sa atin ng hindi magandang energies. Okay, so next. Fire signs. So, Aries, Leo, Sag. Let's see. What is for you? Fire signs. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Anong dapat mong malaman? Fire signs. Okay, the Emperor. What's with that? Judgment. The Star in reversed. I'm hearing power trip. Okay, I'm hearing power trip. Somebody's doing this to you or ikaw itong sa iba, parang ganyan. Andun yung parang papaulit-ulitin ka, papabalik-balikin ka, something like that. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Hanggang sa maubos na lang yung pera mo. Okay? Yeah, power trip. Sana hindi na lang ganun, no? Pero some of you, there could be this energy of help financially. Okay? Meron din ditong open pa rin eh. Open. They're open, pero they're acting cold, distant, strong, guarded. Pero they're open. Lalo na kung ikaw tong hihingi ng tulong sa kanya. Could be your father figure. Could be a father figure or mother figure. They're still open for you. Yeah, they're sad. Actually, they are sad. They're waiting for you to conversate. Parang ganyan eh. Waiting for you to talk with them. Somebody. Father figure or mother figure. They're still open. Pero they're like acting distant. What else? Fire signs. Fire signs. The Nine of Swords. What's with that? Okay, the Empress in reversed. Some of you, this is stress. Somebody is stressed. Diba sa inyo, if you're trying to get pregnant, trying to conceive, then your stress is parang nagiging issue, kaya hindi kayo makabuo. Okay? The stress. That's specific, not for all. Death. So, I think merong mga kailangan baguhin. Meron ditong parang pwedeng nangungulila. May nangungulila. Pwedeng air, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Libra. Yeah. Anyway. What else? The Seven of Wands in reversed. And the King of Pentacles. Somebody's open para sa plano. Okay? Yeah, the sun. Meron ditong ma-accept or mabibigyan ng magandang, sabihin nating mensahe, a surprise, some of you. Okay? Pwedeng meron ditong yung parang hindi mo inaasahan na mag-o-open sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng sa pananalapi ng iba sa atin, no? So, may chance na may mag-o-open na opportunity, oo, sa iba. Pagdating sa kaperahan, pwedeng sa business mo, sa job mo, parang ganyan. May magandang balita akong nakikita na paparating para sa'yo, fire sign. Okay? Meron din dito magiging open pagdating sa financial, like tulong. Okay? I don't know if this is talking about sa anak. Yeah, sa anak. Meron din dito parang unexpected na pwedeng magkikita kayo ng somebody na pwedeng may responsibility sa'yo. Pwedeng tatay or nanay ng anak mo. Pwedeng biglaan kayo magkikita. May mag-unblock here. There's this energy of surprise. The energy of surprise. The energy of unexpected. Okay, that's so specific. Oo. Pero, yeah. Next. Next is water signs. Okay, water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's see. What is 4-hour water signs? Again, yeah, don't forget na mag-like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, water signs. What is for you? Oops. Kataob siya. Okay. Empress in reversed. How's that? Oops. Okay. Dito na lang muna. Yan. So, the Ace of Swords in reversed. Something is hiding. Something, meron ditong secrets. There's these secrets. Meron ditong parang magaling magsalita. Ano tong the Empress in reversed? Parang may nawawala na ng interest. May nawawala ng interest. There's somebody. Is there somebody else? Somebody's falling out of love. Somebody will cut you off, or maybe ikaw itong magka-cut off sa kung sino man. Somebody's hiding. Somebody's watching. Anxiety. Some of you, there's this somebody giving you anxiety. Okay, somebody is afraid losing you. Somebody's afraid losing interest. Yeah. Mother figure. Could be. Anyway. What else? What else? The Lovers. What's with that? Yeah, Three of Swords. Ano to? Third party involved? Some of you, I'm hearing separation for some of you. Why? Bakit Three of Swords? Anong meron? Yeah, somebody's cheating. Who is cheating? The Queen of Wands. Meron ditong iba. Okay? Na talagang magkakaroon ng fallout. Magkakaroon ng separation because of a third party involved. This is not good. This is not good. There's this, fallout na pwedeng mangyari or separation. Pwede sa isang kakilala mo. Okay? There's fire signs here. Gemini. Pwedeng may kakilala ka, water sign, na pwedeng mag-separate. Pwedeng Gemini. Pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. What else? What else? The world universe. And the Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Something is unsure. The Nine of Wands. Somebody pwedeng hindi pa rin totally makapagbigay ng tiwala. They're still guarded. Why? Because some of them, they're still experiencing pa rin the trauma. I don't know if it's still they still experiencing the trauma, or maybe talagang hindi pa rin talaga sila totally healed. Meron ditong pagod na pagdating sa pag-unawa. May napapagod na pagdating sa pag-unawa. I don't know what. I don't know why. Yeah. Commitments, responsibilities. Meron ditong parang pagod ng umintindi sa responsibilidad. Yung hindi na kaya na umako, maybe, sa lahat-lahat, mag-shoulder sa lahat-lahat. Okay, somebody is so tired with the responsibilities na pwedeng hindi naman dapat responsibilidad lang niya. Okay, so there. I don't know who needs to hear that. Next, our earth signs. Okay, so earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan mong marinig, earth signs? Let's shuffle. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Watch your spending. You have to watch your spending. Earth signs. Why? Okay. So, sabihin natin uncontrolled. Oo. Uncontrolled spending. The Empress is here in reverse. Yeah, just watch your spending. That's general. Watch your spending. What else? So, that's a message. Simple message. Two of Pentacles in reverse. The Three of Swords. Drop. I-drop mo lahat ng pwedeng nagbibigay sa'yo ng sickness, ng stress, ng negativities. You're dropping them. I'm seeing you dropping them. Dropping it. Okay? Yeah, for the Four of Wands. Meron kang kailangan surrender. Some of you. Meron kayong kailangang surrender. Meron kayong kailangang i-avoid, alisan. Okay? For the Four of Wands, Justice. Meron ditong i-drop na third party. That's specific. Merong i-drop na third party para maayos yung relasyon. Para may maayos na relasyon. Okay? May makikipag-ayo, some of you. Earth, air, fire. Could be any sign. Yeah, see? May nag-flip, The Three of Cups. Energy po yun ng reconciliation. Let's see, what else? Earth signs. The Ace of Cups in reversed. Why? Meron ditong hindi makapasok na energy about love because ang iniisip is hindi naman mag-workout yun. Yeah. Some of you have to, sabihin nating, we don't chase. Okay? You don't need to chase love. Anong kailangan? Attract. Okay? Attract love. Kailangan mo mag-attract ng love, hindi mo kailangan mag-chase after love. Ito yung sinasabi sa iba sa inyo. Don't chase after love. Yeah, the High Priestess. Bigyan mo rin yung sarili mo daw ng, sabihin nating mystery para magkaroon ng interest yung tao. Or attraction sa'yo yung tao. Hindi sa pagiging laging open. Or vulnerable. Transparent. Okay? Para maipakita, maipahayag, may paramdam na gusto natin sila. Minsan, kailangan natin mag-step back for them na para malaman, no, kung talaga bang interesado sila. Again, we don't chase, we attract. Okay? Yeah, Page of Wands. Somebody will. Okay? May magbibigay ng attraction or ng attention sa'yo. Could be. Okay? Yeah. The Two of Cups. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you.